It's your boy CPK King, and today I'm going to be bringing you an awesome new tutorial just in time for Valentine's Day. The Rose Cupcakes are a simple design that combines some old school piping to create something beautiful on a cupcake. Now, these cupcakes can be given out for any occasion, not just Valentine's Day, but we're going to focus on Valentine's Day today since that's the upcoming holiday, and I want all of y'all to make some extra cash. So, you're going to need a few basic ingredients. I'll be using a Pillsbury strawberry box mix, some eggs, oil, milk, and flavoring. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to start out by just doing a basic box strawberry cake. So what we'll do is gather all of our ingredients as you've seen. We have 3 eggs, a half a cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, and just whatever box mix you prefer. I'm going to be using strawberry Pillsbury mix right now, and just some strawberry flavoring. So I'll start by adding all of my wet ingredients, just the regular way you'll make a box cake. Nothing fancy about it. Just add all the wet ingredients in. Give those a mix on low speed. And just add in my cake mix. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is just fill the cupcakes liners up. Alright guys, so we are back now. We're going to get started with our Rose Cupcakes. So I have already baked the cupcakes. Baked them for 15 to 20 minutes at 320 to 325 is what I usually bake it. So I'm just going to take these cupcakes and I'm going to fill them with just some strawberry jam. Just to give it a little bit more flavor. Just taking a basic piping bag, and you can buy this at your at the local grocery store. It's just like the jam that you use like for strawberry shortcakes, stuff like that. It's really inexpensive. It just gives the strawberry cupcakes a really nice flavor. All right, so I'm going to be using just a regular piping bag, and I'm using Wilton tip number 125. This tip is your basic rose tip. And it's probably one of my go-to tips for when it comes to doing roses. So, if you're familiar with doing roses, you know that you always start in the middle, and you know to build up your rose. So, you're going to start in the middle and just build that part up. All right, and we'll make the rose bud, and all you're doing is you're just going to keep going around as if you had a flower nail to create the rose on top of the cupcake. Now some people do counting method, some people do what they have different Wilton methods where you actually count to see how many petals you're actually doing. I don't do that. I kind of just eye it. And there you have your rose cupcake. So I'll do a couple more so we get the hang of it. So again, you're going to take it and build it up. I just put a little icing in the middle to build it up. Create your center bud. And I'm just going around my cupcake, making my petals around the cupcake. Alright. It really helps if you use a stiff consistency buttercream. When you're doing this, my buttercream is kind of creamy right now. It's a little bit soft, but if you want to stiffen up your buttercream, just add a little bit of confectioner sugar to it to stiffen up the mixture of it. All right. And again, just making your beginning petals in the middle, your little bud. And you're going to keep going around the cupcake. And if you want to get real fancy with it, you can also just take your leaf tip and add the leaves on the side of it, just to make it look like a little rose. I'll do one more. And these are really nice for pretty much any occasion. I've done these for weddings. I've done them for baby showers, Valentine's Day, Christmas cupcakes, or just because cupcakes. They're really nice. Now, if you were going to sell these, if you're doing these as treats or something, I normally let these go for about $40 to $50 a dozen. As you see, they don't take a lot of time, but they are a little tedious if you're just getting the hang of it. If I will say that you need to practice on piping roses a little bit before jumping right into them. So if you have a flower nail or something, that will really help if you can, pipe your roses on a flower nail, just to get the hang of it. But these are the Rose Cupcakes. Like I said, just in time for Valentine's Day. Hope you guys love the tutorial. Make sure that you subscribe and like the video.